Hello. In the words of a young Shirley Murdoch, it's morning. It's not morning. I'm just tired. Holidays really take it out of you. Hope you guys had a good Thanksgiving. I personally did enjoy Thanksgiving. I had a great time with my roommate and our lovely neighbor Jasmine. Hey, girl. This Funny Story Friday is actually brought to you by Thanksgiving. We had Thanksgiving here at my apartment, and after we ate dinner, we celebrated with karaoke. The following is what took place on my photo booth, and I hope that you enjoy. Just keep on turning. Oh, brown berry, keep on burning. And we're rolling, yeah. Rolling on the river. Cleaned a lot of place in Memphis. Pumped a lot of trains down in New Orleans. And I never saw the good side of the city till I hitched a ride on the riverboat queen. Big wheels keep on turning. Proud Mary keep on burning. And we're rolling, yeah. Rolling on the river. And we're rolling, yeah. Rolling on the river. 2, 3, go! Let the good times of the city. Working every day, but not everything. And I never lost this week, and I'm worried about a way. Here we go. Chris and I don't pay too much. But the light is out in the morning. But I never saw the good side of the city. I hitched a ride on the river. What did you guys do for Thanksgiving? Feel free to share in the comments. Until next week. Later. All night.